How to change voice language and keep text normal in Valorant. And in this video, I'll show you two specific ways for you to be able to keep the original text or the original voice language balance. So all I have to do at first is go into the Epic Games game settings before you start the game. And from there, make sure that the game language is selected into the preferred language that you want. So say, for example, English. Now it has to be matched on the in-game settings. So if you pull up the game, you can go ahead and head straight into the game settings of Valorant, and then under text language, make sure that it's the same language as what you selected into the Epic Games settings. So say for example, you would like it to have the English, make sure that under the Epic Games settings, it has to be English as well. Save everything up and restart the game, and you should be able to have it the same language. And that's how you change voice language and keep text normal in Valorant.